Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and I got this old AM/FM radio today from Goodwill. And I'm going to take this radio apart and see what is inside of this radio. I'm not trying to copy what's inside. I'm not going to cut it open. I'll actually just take it apart. So first thing we're going to have to do is take the 4 screws, loosen these up. Do that. Here we go. And then we're going to, whoa, that's the front. Whoa. Okay, there's the insides and all the circuitry. Here's this. And now I'm going to take this out. Remove this screw. There's 7 screws with this. That's the thing with this. 7 screws. Remove this. And yeah, sorry for any background noise, but yeah. Oh, there's another layer that we have to remove. Trying to remove this. Take all that out. Those buttons could be useful. These, so I'm gonna put those aside to where I know where they are. And this is the cover right there. That's the cover off of it, and let's go ahead and break that off of there. There's that could also be useful. There's just the front cover. There's a bunch of circuitry inside here. So let's continue taking the thing apart. So let me get some wire cutters. Oh, these. Yeah, let me go get some wire cutters. Alrighty, guys, I am back. So yeah, let's go ahead and snip, snip. Don't know how I'm gonna get that off. Some way I'm gonna get it off. Whoa, there's like a film on there. Those piece of tape for foam. Don't need that. I'm gonna try to cut that. There we go. There's this circuit where the buttons are, and then I have to cut that, rip that off. There's this, unless I can cut the next little... No, I'll keep that on there. It might be useful. I'm going to remove the cord off of here. See that just little screw in there? I'm going to remove... Oh, it's silicone inside it. Oh, I might have to just cut it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have to do. Ah! Okay, there we go. Now then. Snip. Whoa. Crap. Okay. We'll have to... Or we could cut it off right on the bottom of there. Here we go. There's the cord. Here's the rest of the inside. And there's the turner knob inside here. And it looks actually pretty cool the way it works. I can get a good focus. See that? That's pretty cool. Next we're going to take that transformer out of there. So that's thread locking fluid. So we can't take that out of there. Yay! That's always fun. Oh, I can just kind of rip it out of there. Oh, there we go. I just ripped that transformer out of there. Next, we'll go in here, remove this pigtail. I'm gonna definitely use that. Oh, there's a speaker. Duh, it's a radio. It appears to be glued in. Yeah, it's glued in. Now, how am I? Oh, that's riveted. No, it's not. Or can I just... We'll just try to remove this. Oh, there's a little button in there that I'm going to cut a piece off of. We'll cut a piece off of that there. Hopefully I can separate it. Okay. And got that off of there. Hopefully we can get this circuit board out without having to yank at it. Oh, I love the smell of an old circuit board. Okay. Whoa, that knob cover ran away from me. Take the tuning knob off right there, and then we have that. And we can... I'm going to try to pull that circuit board out. Oh, I have to remove these side bits on the... Oh, my finger. We'll use my wire cutters to get that off. Okay. And then we can pull that up. Boom, there's the circuit board. It's a big one too. A big old circuit board. Snip. 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 And there we go. There's the circuit board. There's the two switches that appear to have glue on them. So there's the circuit board. There's the speaker still. There's still that speaker in there. I'm gonna try to get it out. Well, can't get that out of there. So that's just the rest of it. So yeah, that's the take apart of the AM/FM radio. So I'll see you later.